Number 16, if this were derivatives, it kind of looks like the product rule, but this is integration, and there is no such thing as the product rule. So I'm actually going to do some work before we integrate, and that's going to be to distribute. So this will be the integral of, if you distribute it, will be 8x squared minus 12x dx. And then this is just something that I can integrate both terms. So the 8x squared will become a 8x cubed over 3 minus 12x squared over 2. And I need to put a plus c. And then if I simplify, it'll be 8/3 x cubed minus 6 x squared plus c. And that'll be our solution.